In this section, we are going to delve into Entity Framework Core. And Entity Framework Core is a lightweight, extensible version of the popular Entity Framework data access technology. It is an object relational mapper that enables .NET developers to work with databases using .NET objects. It eliminates the need for most of the data access code that developers usually need to write. So the first thing we'll cover then is what is Entity Framework Core and all of its facets. And then from there, we're going to build our database context in our course section app. And at the end of the section, we're going to build it in our project app. Remember that I separated the course section app for testing and for all of the different items that I cover in the section. And then I tie it all together to what we learn in our project app at the end of the section. And then I'm going to build a console app using EF Core on Mac OS X. It's just going to be a little app that I run that when it starts up, it reads from a database context on Mac OS X. It's going to be very simplistic, but I just want to show you that you can get this up and running on Mac OS X, very similar to Linux. In our course section app and project app, we are going to be utilizing SQL Server. So that's what we're going to build. Our database context is going to map to SQL Server. On Mac OS X, it's not going to map to SQL Server. It's just going to have its own little file database associated with the project. On top of learning what EF Core is and building our project app and a console app on Mac OS X, we're going to build RESTful services on top of our context, which is going to lead into our Angular 2 and TypeScript lectures so that we can consume those RESTful services inside of our Angular 2 framework. So we will set the platform for that for future lectures. But now we're going to start delving into the major aspects of Entity Framework Core. So without further ado, let's get started.